Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Do you want to view and search Windows Live Mailbox without any email client? Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 Email Forensics Wizard on Windows Supportive System. Now, run the application and open it. As you see, this utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. First, go to the Open tab and select Windows Live Mail. Now, check Windows Live Mail account if you have Windows Live Mail application running on your machine. Otherwise, choose Folder option to upload emails without Windows Live Mail installation on your system. Here, we are using the Windows Live Mail account option. Wait as the software is analyzing the Windows Live Mail mailboxes. The tool lists the Windows Live Mail folders in the software interface. Here, click on the Windows Live Mail mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the Windows Live Mail folder are listed one by one. Next, click on the desired email to view in the software panel. This way, you can preview the Windows Live Mail emails with all the elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. For an investigator, the header information of an email is an important source. Using this great solution, you can see the email header preview. Click on the message header option to get the important details. This great utility also enables you to see the hex view of the email. Just tap on the hex view tab. A forensic investigator can also view the raw information of the email. Please click on the raw message option to get the preview. Now, let me introduce you to the advanced feature of the software. The software provides two types of search option with this tool: folder search and advanced search option. This enables the forensic investigator to have a first-class analysis of Windows Live Mail emails with advanced techniques. As you can see the search tab in the software panel. This feature helps one to search for data in the selected folder. The software highlights your searched keyword in the yellow color. This way you can search keywords in other mailboxes. Now, let's move on and understand how the advanced search helps you in examining Windows Live Mail mailboxes. This feature enables you to search in the entire Windows Live Mail mailbox. So, choose a selective item as shown in the video. Now, let's talk about how you can find a specific email from the Windows Live Mail mailbox to examine the information. You can fill any field to find the required information from the Windows Live Mail mailboxes. Here, we are choosing the content field and tap on the Find button. As you can see, all the mailboxes containing that have a specific keyword comes as the results. Click on the email and get your required information. This application also allows you to save the Windows Live Mail mailbox into multiple saving options. Also, enables you to extract attachments, email addresses, phone number from Windows Live Mail mailbox. The importance of these two tabs, export and extract, will be discussed in our next video. For now, we will wrap up the things and explain these two features in our next 4 and 6 video tutorial. So, subscribe to our channel to get a notification of the coming videos. Have a great day.